How to add custom fonts in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, you need to download the custom font you want to use from a trusted website like Google Fonts or DaFont. Make sure the font file is in .ttf or .otf format which DaVinci Resolve supports. Next, install the font on your computer, right-click the font file and select Install. Once installed, the font becomes available system-wide, including DaVinci Resolve. After installing the font, open DaVinci Resolve and create or open your project. Go to the edit page, then add a text or text plus element to your timeline by dragging it onto your video track. Now, click on the text element to bring up the inspector panel on the right side. In the inspector, find the font drop-down menu, scroll through the list until you see your newly installed custom font. Select it to apply the font to your text. If you don't see the new font immediately, try restarting DaVinci Resolve, as it sometimes requires a restart to refresh the font list. Once selected, you can adjust the size, color, and other properties of your text to match your style. This way, you can easily customize your video titles or caption with any font you want. And that's it. Now you know how to add custom fonts in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.